अगर किसी को परस्यू करनी है पीएचडी और एकेडमिया, what are the options they can pursue?
योर मोटिवेशन हैज़ टू बी क्लियर, ठीक है? आप
हम्म,
यूएस क्यों आ रहे हो या कोई भी कंट्री क्यों जा रहे हो फॉर अर्लियर यू ग्राइंड राइट, द मोर पे
हम्म,
ऑफ्स कि अंडरग्रेड में तो स्कैम होता है सबके साथ इंजीनियरिंग
हम्म.
में, कितना भी अच्छा कॉलेज हो।
And how did you decide that master is the best path for me right now?
एंड आई वाज़ लाइक आई हैव सो मच लोन एंड आई नीड टू पे दिस ऑफ, एंड देन आई ड्रॉप्ड द आइडिया कि मैंने सोचा अब मैं पीएचडी को अप्लाई नहीं करूँगा, लेट मी जस्ट वर्क।
या फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यार थैंक यू, मतलब टाइम देने के लिए, बढ़िया, मतलब आई नो यू आर वेरी बिजी दीज डेज. तो थोड़ा बताओ कि मतलब योर जर्नी सो फार, मतलब फ्रॉम इंडिया, मतलब कॉलेज से स्टार्ट कर दो, मतलब क्या.
या आई मीन कॉलेज से तो आई वेंट फॉर अंडरग्रेड इन पुणे। पुणे में था फॉर 4 इयर्स एंड देन केम टू बैंगलोर टू वर्क देयर फॉर 2 इयर्स।
हम्म,
Thought I should grow in my career. So I had like two options. I either wanted to prepare like hard for some interviews and get into a top company and work for it, or I wanted to like um, pursue further studies. और मेरा ऐसा नहीं था, जैसे मोस्ट लोग मास्टर्स करने जाते हैं ना, इधर उनका रहता है कि यूएस आएंगे, विल मेक मोर मनी, और डूइंग मास्टर्स इज अ गेट वे टू एंटर लाइक सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ टेक कंपनी। बट मेरा वैसा नहीं था। आई रियली वांटेड लाइक अ गुड एजुकेशन, क्योंकि अंडरग्रेड में तो स्कैम होता है सबके साथ इंजीनियरिंग
हम्म,
में, कितना भी अच्छा कॉलेज हो।
हम्म,
And then I got into a university that I wanted to go to, so that decision was easier. Came here, did masters. It completely changed my perspective, like how education should happen. Um,
हम्म.
like was putting in 20-hour days every day for 2 years, and काफी hard tha. And then uh, basically since then, Fib got a job, and I left India in 2019. Now it's like 2025, so been almost 6 years since then.
हाँ.
Yeah, all is going good. Abhi, right now I'm in Canada actually. As you know, like US has certain visa issues, visa goals that you have to go through. So, uh, तो H1B नहीं लगा था मेरा, तो I am in
हम्म.
Canada right now, and my company, I work for Amazon, so they are trying to bring me back after 1 year. तो वही होगा mostly. They need me on
हम्म.
site.
Oh, nice. So how did you decide कि यार मुझे मास्टर्स करनी है, मतलब कि मतलब what were your choices and how did you decide कि यार master is the best path for me right now?
Yeah, I wanted to go for a PhD actually,
हम्म,
but PhD admissions are much more competitive. और मुझे I didn't want to do a PhD from like an below average place. I wanted to work with like really good professors. But I knew I
हम्म,
couldn't make the admission cut if I applied for a PhD. So I thought कर लेते हैं अभी masters, बाद में PhD के लिए कर लेंगे once I work hard in masters. बट मास्टर्स के बाद ऐसा हुआ ना कि आई हैड सो मच लोन ऑन माय हेड कि
uh,
मुझे लगा यार अगर मैंने इसके बाद, और मैंने एनरोल भी किया था पीएचडी में, तो आई टेल यू अ स्टोरी अबाउट दैट।
हम्म,
तो या एंड आई वाज लाइक आई हैव सो मच लोन एंड आई नीड टू पे दिस ऑफ, so I did like one semester of PhD, and then I dropped out, got a job, and then I started working, paid off my loan. And now I'm doing independent research like at my work, and I'm collaborating with different labs, and um, yeah, I get to do research while making money. So it all worked out in the end. I think it was a good decision. But थोड़ा बीच-बीच में होता है कि should have completed PhD and gone for it. Yeah, but yeah, always wanted to be in a good space actually. Work with great people, learn from great people. Yeah,
academia wise you mean, like मतलब
yeah.
your passion is in academia, right?
Not just academia. Like I like reading, researching, just the activity of finding out about more things, learning. So
Hmm.
like studying was like a natural progression. Yeah.
So
Yeah, it's
nice.
a fun story about PhD. So when I was applying for PhDs actually, मेरा बहुत मन था। फिर मैंने लिस्ट विस्ट बनाई, काफ़ी प्रोफेसर से बात कर ली कि राइट मी अ लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन, और ऑल ऑफ देम वर
Hmm.
लाइक मास्टर्स के प्रोफेसर्स। एंड just before applying, I applied to one college for PhD, and that was my safest option, which
Hmm.
was UT Austin. And then I dropped the idea कि मैंने सोचा अब मैं PhD को अप्लाई नहीं करूँगा, लेट मी जस्ट वर्क। And then what happened कि I got through that college to which I had applied, and because it was COVID and everyone was working remotely, I took the job offer I had and I was doing a PhD simultaneously. Because मेरा जो PhD
Hmm.
एडवाइज़र था उसने बोला था कि वैसे भी कॉलेज अभी रिमोट चल रहा है, there are no classes happening. So you take the classes online, and once we begin on-campus activities, you can come join us on campus as a PhD candidate. So I thought maybe work a job, make some money, थोड़ा PhD का courses ले लो
Hmm.
online and so on. But after one semester, I was like, no, it's not happening. Yeah, it's not what I want to do. Don't want my life to be this way. So I just dropped it.
Hmm. That's interesting. So like मतलब मैं तो बहुत एकेडमिया से बहुत दूर हूँ मतलब लाइक आई 4 साल की बीटेक वाज लाइक सो पेनफुल फॉर मी because I was into like startup. I was into creating something like and applied knowledge more than like reading. I just couldn't fathom the structured क्या कहते हैं कि curriculum. So I want to understand कि इसमें मतलब अगर किसी को pursue करनी है PhD or academia, like what are the career options? Like what they can like how well they can do or like what are the options they can pursue?
Yeah, so see, especially if your motivation has to be clear, ठीक है? आप
Hmm.
US क्यों आ रहे हो या कोई भी country क्यों जा रहे हो for higher studies? If you wanna move to that country for immigration, that's you will take a different path. You wanna
Hmm.
move to that country to make more money, you can make more money anywhere. Like they find a great job in India and then do an internal transfer or something to US if
Hmm.
that's what you want. But if you really want to study, I would say when you pick colleges, look at the quality of professors and look at the quality of students that they accept. यूएस और कनाडा दोनों में आपको बहुत सारे डिग्री मिल्स मिल जाएंगे जो बांटते हैं एडमिशन एंड किसी तरह पढ़ा देते हैं। उनमें डिसेंट होता है, एजुकेशन क्वालिटी बुरा नहीं होता है लाइक।
Hmm.
But at the end of 2 years, you get a degree, you'll also find a job. But I am not sure how much learning that happens. For example, I went to a good school for computer science for masters. And
Hmm.
the first semester, I took a deep learning course.
Hmm.
और and it was completely new to me क्योंकि मैं इंडिया से पढ़ के आया था और 2 साल जॉब भी किया था, so I was out of this space.
Hmm.
पहले सेमेस्टर में they were making us write a deep learning library from scratch. So like we use PyTorch and TensorFlow, right? But we were actually
Hmm.
writing it from scratch, like everything. The only thing
Wow.
we used was NumPy, which was like for mathematical operations.
Hmm.
So we wrote our convolutional neural networks, RNNs, LSTM, all these things that come under deep learning from scratch, everything. OS का कोर्स लिया तो OS के कोर्स में we were writing kernel from scratch. Distributed
Hmm.
systems का कोर्स लिया तो we were writing Raft protocol, Paxos protocols and Bitcoin पूरा from scratch. So it's बहुत important होता है. You need to look at the kind of professors there are, the kind of courses that are being taught.
Hmm.
And it's always good to get feedback from like people who have gone through that college and gotten a degree out of that college and how their experience was. If somebody says that
Hmm.
it was very hard, I worked 20 hours day, 18 hours day, बहुत struggle किया, then it's probably worthwhile going, I would say. Because आपको comfort zone से बाहर तो निकलना पड़ता है थोड़े साल के लिए ना, at some point if you want to make progress. Yeah.
Yeah. I think
Mhm.
yeah. I mean life में एक दो बार like ऐसे phases आते हैं where you have to just like grind
Yeah,
and like especially if
exactly.
you want to like level up.
And I also feel like the earlier you grind, right, the more
Hmm.
payoffs it has. तो आप देखोगे जो बच्चे ऐसे आईआईटी की प्रेप के टाइम कर लेते हैं
Hmm.
फटाफट, उनको पे ऑफ फिर मिलता रहता है इवेंचुअली, इवन इफ दे डोंट वर्क एज हार्ड, दे somehow reach at a point like. And yeah, I mean I've just noticed it. I'm not saying it's true or anything, but ऐसा observe किया मैंने. The earlier you like go out of your comfort zone and work hard, it's the easier it is eventually.